Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine is the source of yet another spill.
The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says a factory in the Bog Walk area is responsible and plans are being made for cleanup.
But again, fishers are left worrying.
Ramada Lyons has our story.
The water not good for touch, for drink, for dive, nothing at all.
He's speaking about the Rio Cobre in the Bog Walk area in St. Catherine. On Saturday, he saw the water partially black. Not knowing what it was, he thought it would have cleared on Sunday. Instead,
no color of water you could have say. Only blackness, pure oil. You understand? So we have to take out all the pot them out of the water.
Since then, no sighting of fish. And then, the realization that it's an oil spill.
From the oil touch the water anytime, from them smell it, is either it's going to kill them or who don't die are going to run and go hide. So you as a catcher would depend upon the crayfish or the perch them. You understand? You have nothing at all to catch.
It's a repeated nightmare following the July 2022 toxic spill from Windalco. Many fishers were left in despair.
You can't breathe on a hide, so what going to happen to the fish them? Eventually we're not going to see them start float again.
This is what the water looks like now. Yesterday, it was as black as these bottles. Now Saturday, Fisherfolk went in search of the source of the spill. They continued Tuesday.
We have to find where this black oil coming from.
The search led to the True Juice factory in the area.
It's an outpour of substances coming out of some huge diesel oil tanks, seeping into their wastewater drainage, running out into the gullies and into the Rio Cobre.
And while we were on the compound, our videographer was told he should not be present.
I represent Television Jamaica. We are on record now. Anything you want to say to me now.
We were hoping for a comment, but instead, we were told to leave.
What is it, sir? Oh, okay, yeah, man.
In a release, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, said an investigation revealed a factory in the area was responsible, and the management team is cooperating to undertake a cleanup. NEPA also said it received a report about the oil spill on Monday, December 11. But according to Mr. Gordon,
I started getting calls from as early as Saturday evening. The citizens were saying that they have noticed oily substance coming down on the surface of the Rio Cobre, and it was a source of nuisance to their fishing.
now with less than 2 weeks to Christmas, Fisherfolk are left in a net of worry.
Considering where to go, the oil is still in the water until now.
We don't sure what is going to happen further down. And if this continue happen further down, I'm not fishing me Christmas. But if I go buy a pan fish, I'm going to depend that.
And from Saturday, Sunday, water turn black, nothing now go on. They put me back right now.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.
The number